Hey guys, the video you just saw was shot in Guwahati, Assam. So on 5th February 2022, Guwahati received its first hailstorm. So let us study about hailstones. How do they occur? First, let us see what is a hailstone. So here you can see layer by layer there is crystallization of water droplets. So, what are the conditions required for hailstones to fall from clouds? So, the upper part of the cloud should be below freezing temperature, and the cloud should contain lot of water. So, and one more, there should be updraft wind. So heavy updraft winds can take the water droplets, small water droplets in the freezing area. So one of the water droplet freezes and forms ice. Then on top of it, you can form another layer of ice and so on. When the stone becomes very heavy, it falls down on the earth. So this is all about hailstorm. Thank you so much for learning about hail with me today. Have a great day.